Up Tyler.
Hi, Beam Me Up Tyler. Happy Halloween. What's cooler than s'mores? Halloween s'mores. Woo! Let's turn on this oven real quick. I lost my hands. How am I going to do this? I wish that my hands come back. My hands are back, but where are my arms? I wish for my arms to come back. Yay! Now let's open it. Now let's start it. Whoop, whoop. Now while that's warming up, let's get into the ingredients. Spooky. Oh no. It's a monster. It's a zombie. Arr. It's chocolate. And graham crackers. Let's get into it. Let's open it. Which one should we open first? Let's do eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Catch a tiger by its toe. If you holler, let it go. Lion, and choose the best, and you are it. This one. Urgh. Let's go. Oh. That can be for a skeleton when they come to protect the zombies. Well, no, they're all gonna fight. Alright, we only need 2. Yeah, 2. Alright. Now let's take a plastic out. And let's see. We're gonna eat we're going to use an extra one to see if it actually tastes like graham crackers since it said that. It does. Now let's open our peeps. Now let's open our peeps. Ooh, spooky. Now let's open our chocolate. Now let's open the chocolate. Last one. There we go. Oh. There we go. Let me put this down. 2 and 3. We're done with the Hershey's. Peeps are last in this. Now let's use the peeps. So satisfying. Big head. Big Frankenstein head. We're done with the peeps. And I'll eat him. It looks like the gummy bear. Sugar rush. put it in the oven. Now let's take this and put it right there. Now let's put these in. There's one, and there's two. Now push it back. And pull this up. Let's put this for 10 minutes. Start. Chocolate. I'll put you right here. Here we go. Now let's take it out to the trash. It caught me. And move you. Let's move you. There you go. And let's move you. Let's put my hands here. And I'm done for right now. Let's go turn around and look at the clock. 7 more minutes. Whoop, whoop. 7 more minutes. Whoop, whoop. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. Do 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 do. They're ready. Ooh. Looks like they're ready. We got them on a plate. And they look like a puffer fish that turned into a monster that puffed. And they both crashed into each other. Now let's add some decoration. First we got some lights. One. Two. And the rest. Now let's go get a skeleton. Let's go taste them. Ooh, pork. Okay, let's make sure it wasn't hot. Hey. Hey. Now let's tap its forehead. Ooh. Mmm. Yummy. Grr.
Good pause.
That's good. Yummy. I'll rate this a 10 out of 10. Make sure to subscribe. Try to make these at home with a parent. And I'll see you in my next video. Comment below how they come out and taste. Make sure you subscribe for more content by Beam Me Up Tyler. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. All Beam Me Up Tyler. Bye!